Svestkove Knedliky. Plum dumplings. A main dish from Slovakia. Serves
You
will
will
need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Cream 2 tablespoons butter, beat in eggs and salt. Step 2. Gradually beat in flour and diced potatoes. Dough should be stiff to knead thoroughly. Step 3. On floured board, roll out dough to 1/4 inch in thickness, then cut 3-inch squares. Step 4. Lay 1 plum on each square, sprinkle with little cinnamon sugar and fold edges over plum. Shape with hands into a ball. The wall of dough should be very thin. Step 5. Drop dumplings into boiling salted water, cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Brown breadcrumbs in 1/3 cup hot butter. Roll dumplings in buttered breadcrumbs, sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. CountryReports. In Slovakia, Slovakia, countries, sometimes sweet travel dishes are eaten for the main